All right, hey guys. Welcome to day 5 of my day trading journey to profitability to prove that it's possible, and that you can do it too. Um, so today, Monday, um, we had no news in the US for today, um, so nothing to really move the market like that with on the news side. I ended up not taking a trade today. I had all my confluences get hit, um, except the last one, which I'll show you here in a second. So if we go into the 4 hour on NASDAQ, we can see market open real quick right here, 9:30, 9:30 right here, market opened. Um, so we go in the 4 hour, we can see I marked out these highs. Um, there's a 4 hour high up here. Is there what's going on here? There's 4 hour high up here, um, and then we had a 4 hour low right here at 10, or I'm sorry, right here. We had a 4 hour low right here. So I marked that out, and then I go into the 1 hour, um, mark these highs out in blue. Also mark this high out. This high formed at 10 when this candle closed. Um, so bias wise on the daily, we can see we're in an uptrend. So I was bullish for that. 4 hour was also bullish. We are in an uptrend. Hourly, again, we're in an uptrend. Um, Pretty much at market open. Almost it's kind of consolidating here a little bit, so my but anyway, my daily bias was bullish for the day. And as we can see, market immediately um, went to the upside and swept out buy side liquidity. So I was like, oh, is my bias correct for the day or what? Um, so I wasn't quite sure. I was surprised to see that big leg up um, right on market opened. But we can see that here, just big candle up. But then we had a big candle back down, like a big price correction. Um, So I mean I couldn't find any reason why my daily bias would be wrong, so I was still sticking with my daily bias. And once I saw that price come back down, I was like, oh, okay. Um, Price just wanted to push high a little bit higher and then come back down and sweep this liquidity. So I marked out this liquidity and I was waiting for it to get swept. And it did. Um, so we can go into the 5 minute here and we can see um, market shoots up, and market opened right here. Market shoots up, the price shoots up and then shoots back down. So I saw that I was like, perfect. I'm looking for longs. Um, so I see my 5 minute confluence, my price retrace, 5 minute retrace. We get an up candle back down, down candle. Perfect. Then I go into the 1 minute. So then in the 1 minute, let's see here. Price comes down. So perfect. I'm in the 1 minute. I'm looking for a fair value gap, or one of my, or a fair value gap to enter. So I see a couple fair value gaps here and a couple other places. There's one here, um, but that immediately gets blown through. We get one here, and then takes a little longer, but then it gets blown through. And then I see price rally higher again, and we see this kind of downtrend we kind of created, this little downtrend here, and I see price break out of it. So I saw price break out of it here, um, and then I called this a breaker block. I'm not sure if that's actually what a breaker block is, but it price broke structure to the upside and then retested off of the order block of the downtrend, if you know what I mean. See this red candle? Um, it retested that after it broke structure to the upside with this green candle. So I marked that out. I don't take a trade based on breaker blocks yet, but it's another confluence that I could use to make my trade more better for today. Um, but I was still looking for a fair value gap to enter off of. Um, and we can see here we get a fair value gap here, gets blown through, so I don't take a trade off that. Get a couple more fair value gaps. We get one here. This one was looking promising. We get this retest down and this retest. Price kind of bounces up. Almost got a breaker structure if that candle closed above, but we didn't. So price just continued to go lower. Um, and it took a long it this was 11 o'clock almost. I was here, I saw this, and it was perfect. Let's find a fair value gap, and I thought I was going to be done for the day. But no, price just moving up and down. Um, I'm not sure why. Price just does. Maybe no news Monday. Um, that could be it. But as we can see, price never really went anywhere. Moved down a little bit, but then came back up again and never really got anywhere. And trading in this isn't very good. I mean, I had all my confluences ready to go. Um, they just never got hit. And same thing happened on the S&P. You can see here just chopping up. Um, had some more fair value gaps in there. Um, but again, they just got blown through, so I was not able to take a trade off either of these two pairs. You can see this one. This one was looking promising. We get this leg up, then a retest, and then this leg up again. Then we get another fair value gap here. I marked it out just in case. Then it comes back down to this, but then it broke through that. And you see here, this was after 11, and I normally don't like to trade after 10:45. But since I saw my confluences, all my confluences except the last one, the fair value gap with a break structure to the upside, I was able to wait. I was allowing myself to wait till 11 to see if anything happened. But at 11, I stopped trading for the day. You can see here. But if I was to trade longer, to to have stayed on longer and kept looking for trades, I would have probably saw this one. We got a fair value gap here. Um, get a rejection off of that, and then we get a break of structure. Um, let's do the top of this candle high. We get a break of structure here. According to my rules, I'm entering off that candle close because that broke structure to the upside off this fair value gap. But as you can see, price just capitulated down. So I guess that's a good thing to learn for today. Make sure you're sticking to your times you set for yourself before in your trade. That's in your trading plan, and stick to them because as you can see, your price hit all your confidences, but still went the opposite way. Um, so no trades today on either Nasdaq or the S&P. Um, got close to one, but didn't end up taking a trade. Um, so no big deal, I guess. Yeah, I mean my daily bias was very bullish for today, so I was really surprised when this price shot up. But um, again, I mean, your daily bias can be wrong, and your confluences won't always work. and you won't be able to take a trade every day. So that's what happened here. Tomorrow, Tuesday, let's see. We have a good bit of news tomorrow. Um, 9 a.m. composites, HPI, all this home sales, consumer confidence. So we'll see. Probably won't take a trade tomorrow. That's a lot of US news. We'll see. I'll still be on the charts watching, see how they react. And I'll make a video about it. Um, and we'll see. I'm most likely not going to take a trade unless I see like this super perfect setup and I have multiple confluences. All my confluences plus more, like maybe it's a high time frame, fair value gap or order block, something like that. But yeah, probably not going to trade tomorrow, Tuesday, or even uh, Wednesday. Got a lot of news this week. And then Thursday is Thanksgiving. So we'll see what happens with this week. Um, got close today, but never took a trade. Um, so yeah, thanks for watching day 5 of my journey to profitability to prove that it's possible. I posted a video earlier today about how I got started in day trading and how you can go about getting started in day trading. So go check that out if you want. At some point, I'll make a video just talking about specifically about my strategy and how I came up with it. But thanks for watching day 5.